As Indie Meme 2019 wraps, we're here with director Hardik Mehta, who put out his first film that he's directed, Kamyab. It was our closing night film, and he's managed to win the Audience Choice Award. He's going to tell us a little bit about how that feels and how this whole experience has been.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy today, because this is the exact audience the film is actually made for, Indie Meme Film Festival had its amazing, South Asian audience, also a mix of Texan audience, but more South Asian because the film is actually at heart about Hindi cinemas, the actors who have always been sidelined, So it feels great to be appreciated by this audience, and we've had a fantastic experience as Indie Meme, especially Austin being my first ever city to visit in US. I couldn't have asked for a better city.
Well, welcome to Austin.
Thank you so much, and I've had a great experience in seeing this city having its so many attributes, from a lake to a mountain to a hike to a bars and all of that. So it was great experiencing Austin, and thanks to the team of Indie Meme who actually made all of this possible. Within 3 days, I had a jam-packed schedule, and all of us filmmakers, we really had a great time here. Yes.
Will you promise that you'll come back?
I will promise to make another film, and I will ensure that I make good enough to again come back to Indie Meme so I get an opportunity to come back to Austin.
Well, you were this year's winner, so we've got high hopes for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It really means a lot.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.